अब तो शो शुरू कर दो. Hello and welcome to another roller coaster of fun and मस्ती, जिसको प्यार से लोग कहते हैं Hooray Bollywood! Hi, I'm Amita and I'm your host on this non-stop overdose of gossip, fun and styles of Bollywood. आज है हंसने पर नो पाबंदी, क्योंकि लाई हूँ मैं आपके लिए the top comedians of the last 100 years. And yes, I'll be coming live on location to do some chit-chat खुल्लम खुल्ला. क्यों? क्योंकि मोहब्बत कर ली तुमसे बहुत सोचने के बाद, किसी को देखा नहीं तुम्हें देखने के बाद, दुनिया में क्या रखा है तुम्हें पाने के बाद, खुदा माफ करे इतना झूठ बोलने के बाद. Now it's time to take a look at the latest gupshup from Bollywood, and let me tell you, there's lots to talk about. Let's go straight to Anil Kapoor's bungalow in Juhu, जहाँ पर सोनम ने होस्ट किया एक बहुत बड़ी पार्टी for her cousin Arjun Kapoor. All the young and restless of Bollywood were there in full attendance. Deepika, Ranveer, Katrina, Imran, Varun, Ranveer, Alia Bhatt, and etc. 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 First, man of the moment Ranveer Kapoor made peace with Sonam. They had made their debut together in Saawariya, but after the release of the film, both had a public spat with each other. अब पुरानी बातें कौन दोहराए? Let's just say the two kissed and made up. Not literally, but you know what I mean. And from pyar to some takarar, the poor handsome RK got into trouble with his girlfriend Katrina. Apparently, she wanted to leave the party early, but Ranveer wanted to chill with his friends. So she argued with him and stormed off. Alone. Ouch. And now on to another interesting film जिसकी music का काफी interesting launch हुआ. I'm talking about the spy thriller D-Day featuring Arjun Rampal, Irfan Khan and Huma Qureshi, जिसका music launch हुआ एक radio show पर.
I think जब से जो पहला लुक ही आया था फिल्म का, वहीं से I think a positivity आई थी फिल्म में. I think लोग interested हैं क्योंकि अलग किस्म की कहानी है.
Yeah, right, Arjun. ये अलग का डायलॉग हम हर फिल्म के बारे में सुनते हैं. But what was really अलग was Huma Qureshi's bindaas response to the question what she was doing about her weight.
No, why should I? I mean, I think everyone's pretty the way they are.
I love her the way she is.
Yeah. And one of the most good-looking men in the country saying that I have to take his word for it.
Wah, wah, fabulous! लगता है that the days of the size zero heroines are finally over. क्यों विद्या? सोनाक्षी? और सोनाक्षी से याद आया तैयब अली का, अरे वो ही तैयब अली प्यार का दुश्मन हाय हाय. Remember this memorable song from Amar Akbar Anthony, जिसमें ऋषि कपूर ने रैंट किया उसकी स्वीटहार्ट नीतू सिंह के फादर पर, प्लेट पर मुखरी.
तैयब अली प्यार का दुश्मन हाय हाय, मेरी जान का दुश्मन हाय 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 हाय.
Well, the makers of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai ने इस popular कव्वाली को present किया है, and here Imran Khan is seen ranting about his lady love Sonakshi's father. देखते हैं how much fun both of them had at the launch of this song.
तैयब अली प्यार का दुश्मन हाय हाय, मेरे यार का दुश्मन हाय 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 हाय.
In the old song, Neetu Singh's father Tayyab Ali kept her locked up, पर इस गाने में तो लगता है सोनाक्षी manages to escape. ऐसे कैसे?
देखिए आजकल की जो मॉडर्न लड़कियां बड़ी फास्ट होती हैं, खुद नीचे चली आती हैं.
बात तो सही कही. Well, Sonakshi is on a roll these days. Her Lutera co-star Ranveer says that she has the best chemistry with him. What does Imran have to say about that?
With all due respect, Ranveer is wrong. उनकी पिक्चर बड़ी अच्छी है, मैंने देखी है. उनकी केमिस्ट्री भी जबरदस्त है, लेकिन हमारी थोड़ी अच्छी है.
And so the Bollywood circus goes on. On the surface तो लगता है कि सभी है good friends. But what goes on behind the scenes only they and our trusted informers know. क्योंकि हमारे जासूस चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं. And now it's time for new movie releases. Lutera. This period romance drama is making big waves at the box office. After making his critically acclaimed debut in Udaan, director Vikramaditya Motwane is back with Lutera, an uplifting story of two lovers. Set in the charm of the beautiful Kolkata and Dalhousie in the year 1953, ये फिल्म है एक अनोखी love story of लुटेरा वरुण, played by Ranveer, who has come to steal an ancient idol, मगर हार जाता वो अपना दिल to the gorgeous Paki, played by Sonakshi.
लड़के ने लड़की से कहा कि वो कितनी सुंदर है.
The music of this film is being highly appreciated. The story of deep love, heartbreak and betrayal is inspired by O. Henry's The Last Leaf, a must-watch. Police Giri. Rudra, a tough deputy commissioner of police, is on a mission to bring law and order against the local mafias. This action-packed comedy marks the Bollywood debut of popular Tamil director K.S. Ravikumar. Sanjay Dutt की macho looks को beautifully match किया है pretty Prachi Desai ने. So if you want to fall in love, laugh and see some action, then do watch this film. Movies to watch out for are Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, a biopic on famous Indian athlete Milkha Singh, directed by Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. ये फिल्म है Milkha Singh के जीवन पर based. Portrays the guts, determination, courage of Milkha Singh, who competed against all the odds and came out a winner. अब है time for the top 3 songs of the week. Number 3 पर है the title song of the movie Isak.
उस पार तू है, इस पार मैं, लगता है डूबूंगा इस बार मैं.
Number 2 पर है जीने लगा हूँ from Ramaiya Vastavaiya.
तुम साहसी पहले देखा नहीं, तुम इससे पहले थे जाने कहाँ. जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा.
And number 8 पर है जिंदा from Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. कितने गॉसिप थे. अरे घबराना नहीं. This is just the beginning of an exciting ride. After a roundup of the top movies and songs, now it's time for a very special segment, celebrating the 100 years. But remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or come visit us on our website, or you can even write to me at amita@hooraybollywood.com. Even as I take this short break. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000.
The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. We cover the community here and across the world. 40,000 copies each week. 2 editions, Wednesday and Saturday. 4 sections, community, automotive, Bollywood and real estate. Stay up to date with what's happening here and back home. Plug into opportunities and trends that can change your life. The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. Get your paper edition or read online at weeklyvoice.com.
Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studioing. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, Fine Indian Cuisine. Delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The host Fine Indian Cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The host Fine Indian Cuisine.
Kisan Desi Ghee and Vegetable Ghee. Kisan Tel. Kisan Food Colors. Kisan Besan. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
Now it's time for our very special segment. Did you know that the first Indian CinemaScope film was Kagaz Ke Phool, and it was produced and directed by Guru Dutt in 1959. Considered Guru Dutt's finest work, the film is truly a technical masterpiece. The camera work with its use of light and shadows for the CinemaScope format is magical. और ये मैजिक क्रिएट किया गुरु दत्त के लिए कैमरामैन वीके मूर्ति एंड आर्ट डायरेक्टर आचार्यकर ने. Both of them won Filmfare Awards for this movie. Kagaz Ke Phool is also famous for its superb song picturization, particularly Dekhi Zamane Ki Yari.
देखी ज़माने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी.
और वक्त ने किया क्या हसीन सितम. These beautiful songs were written by the legendary poet and lyricist Kaifi Azmi, and the music was composed by well-known music director S.D. Burman. The plot of the film is often seen as Guru Dutt's autobiography and to some extent about his relationship with his wife Geeta Dutt and his lady love Wahida Rahman. पर ये फिल्म रिलीज पर हुई एक बॉक्स ऑफिस डिजास्टर and Guru Dutt never directed a movie again. It was only later in the 1980s that it was resurrected as a world cinema cult classic. Did you know that चुलबुल, गोलमाल और मस्ती से भरी टुनटुन, जो हिंदी सिनेमा की पहली लेडी कॉमेडियन मानी जाती है, actually joined Bollywood as a playback singer. उनका असली नाम था उमा देवी. वो करीब 13 साल की उम्र में अपने घर से भागकर बॉम्बे आई टू बिकम अ सिंगर. और लेजेंडरी म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर नौशाद अली की गाइडेंस से उमा देवी का नाम मशहूर सिंगर्स जैसे कि नूरजहां, राजकुमारी, खुर्शीद, ज़ोहराबाई अंबाले वाली के साथ जुड़ गया. उनका गाया हुआ गाना अफसाना लिख रही हूँ shot her into fame instantly. But new singers की एंट्री से हुआ उनका जादू कम और 1960 में उमा देवी ने एक्टिंग की तरफ अपना कदम बढ़ाया.
तो की मारी किसको चाहते हो जी? जी मैं उमा देवी को चाहता हूँ. क्या कहा उमा देवी को?
और बन गई टुनटुन.
आओ गले मिल जाओ सुला करने. आओ ना इसकी रानी.
She did over 198 films pairing with actors like Bhagwan Dada, Aga, Sundar, Johnny Walker, Keshto Mukherjee, etc.
महाराज सेवा तो मैं अपने पति की दिन रात करती हूँ, मगर मालूम नहीं मेवा कौन खा जाता है.
ये मुस्कुराता चेहरा जिसने सबको हमेशा हंसाया passed away at the age of 80 in the year 2003. Hooray, Bollywood salutes this legend. Okay, let me ask you a question. What do you call a person who cannot hear anything? Socho? Socho. Arey, you can call him anything because he cannot hear anything. Laughter is the best medicine. Or Bollywood comedians have best cure for full-on entertainment. The great actors who taught the nation to laugh. Today we will discuss Bollywood's top comedians in the last 100 years.
मालिश, तेल मालिश।
सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए।
Who knew that Badruddin Jamaluddin Qazi, a bus conductor in Bombay, would become a leading comedian of Indian cinema? Born on 11 November 1926 in Indore, उनके father एक mill worker थे. But Badruddin Qazi was a born comedian. वो हर रोज बस के passengers को अपनी sense of humor से करते थे entertain.
आपकी तारीफ? वाह वाह, क्या खूबसूरत खामोशी में जवाब दिया.
One day he got lucky when actor Balraj Sahani, who was traveling in the bus, noticed him. He mentioned him to Guru Dutt, who auditioned him for the role of a drunkard. So impressed was the filmmaker with his performance that he immediately selected him and renamed him after a famous whiskey brand, Johnny Walker. वहीं से शुरू हुआ बदरुद्दीन काजी उर्फ जॉनी वॉकर का फिल्मी करियर. और मजे की बात यह है कि जॉनी वॉकर was a teetotaler all his life. He acted in more than 300 films and gave some very memorable performances in movies like Pyasa, Chori Chori, Madhumati, CID, Naya Daur, Mere Mehboob and many others. Directors would get special songs recorded just for Johnny Walker in their films.
ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान.
A very humble man who kept a low profile even at the peak of his career, Johnny Walker left the world in 2003. मगर उनकी बेहतरीन कॉमेडी और मशहूर गाने are here to stay forever.
अయ్యయ్యో, आमा गलती किया जी, आमा हिंदी में गाता.
हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं.
This versatile, undisputed, evergreen comedian would go on to produce and direct super hit films too. He was the talented Mahmood.
धड़कने लगता है मेरा दिल तेरे नाम से, ऐसा लगता है कि अब हम गए काम से.
Badshah of comedy, who first entered the film industry to earn some money, went unnoticed in films like Do Bigha Zameen and Pyasa. फिर आई फिल्में जैसे कि ससुराल, हमराही, Johar Mahmood in Goa, Pyar Kiye Ja, Padosan, and he emerged as a serious comedian.
गाना गाओ ना.
तोरी अटरिया अय्यो अटकी रे अटकी रे अटकी.
उस वक्त के सुपरस्टार्स भी उनके साथ काम करने से कतराते थे, as Mahmood would often end up stealing the limelight.
चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, और तुम हड्डी में कबाब हो.
Mahmood's forte lay in his impeccable acting style that blended with humor with human sensitivity. He could move the audience to tears. As a producer and director too, he gave many super hit films. And on screen, unki jodi with Shobha Kote was a super hit. But in the late 1970s, with New Kids on the Block, his popularity declined. In July 2004, he passed away. But this Badshah of comedy will always be in our hearts. Born in Peshawar, Rajendra and his brother Premnath came to Mumbai at a young age to become actors. Initially, he struggled with a small, insignificant role until Shami Kapoor recommended him to the filmmaker Nasir Hussain.
जो तुम जैसी खूबसूरत लड़की को ठुकरा कर एक आया से प्यार करे, वो मुझसे भी बड़ा इडियट है.
His role as Popalal became synonymous with his screen persona, and लोग तो उन्हें इसी नाम से पुकारने लगे. One of his most memorable performances was in Manoj Kumar's Purab aur Paschim. He also had a notable role in An Evening in Paris.
मर्दानी आवाज में कहिए, डार्लिंग, छोड़ो इस बुड्ढे को और भाग चले. अरे भाई, ये क्या बदतमीजी हो रही है?
Later, he even acted in the very famous TV serial Hum Panch as Mr. Popatlal. What many people don't know is that in real life, Rajendra Nath was very lonely and non-humorous. Magar on screen, he made people laugh and smile. Aloof from the industry, Rajendra Nath died on 13 February 2008 from a cardiac arrest. A true comedian with a difference, he will always be remembered by Hindi cinema lovers. First Indian stand-up comedian, a man with comic eyes, facial expressions, Bollywood's laughter cure. John Prakash Rao Janumala, our very own Johnny Lever. Born on 14 August 1957 in Andhra Pradesh, Johnny Lever is a true example of a rags to riches story. He worked in a factory of Hindustan Lever and got his nickname of Johnny Lever by his co-workers.
हम तुमको लंबा रोल देगा.
Got his first break in Tum Par Hum Qurban in 1984, but his moment of reckoning came in the movie Jalwa, and he never looked back.
ये औरतों वाली जेल में मैं क्या करूँगी? ताली बजाने को नहीं देंगे वो लोग. अकेली बोर हो जाऊंगी मैं. ठीक है, इसे मर्दों वाले जेल में ले जाओ. ये मर्दों वाले क्या बोले साहब? मैं अकेली, इतने सारे मर्द, मेरी इज्जत लुट गई तो मैं बिल्कुल कुंवारी हूँ, अनटच्ड, समझे? His most acclaimed performance was the character of Babulal in film Bazigar. He's also remembered for some of his other famous characters like Chota Chhatri, Aslam Bai, etc. His performance in the film Judai and his famous dialogues in the movie Abba Dabba Jabba was also unforgettable. तुम्हारी वालिद है? अब्बा! यानी कि तेरे अब्बा ने मुझे बेवकूफ बनाया और ये डब्बा मुझे थमा दिया है?
Johnny Lever is a jester with a heart of gold. He performs at many charitable events absolutely free, and he's involved with many charities. ये comedians तो थे हमारी top list में. There are so many special actors like Jagdeep, Keshto Mukherjee, Rajpal Yadav, Khader Khan, Bhuman Irani, and the list is endless. जिनकी बेहतरीन comedy ने viewers को खूब हंसाया. And now I want to find out who is your favorite comedian. It's time for some Bol Bachchan. कहीं जाएगा नहीं because I'll be with you after this short break. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
Kisan mixed spices, tandoori masala, garam masala, chai masala. Kisan pastes, tandoori paste, curry paste and many more. Kisan crispy fried onions. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
बोल बच्चन, वेलकम टू द फन सेगमेंट, क्योंकि आज हम करेंगे लॉट्स ऑफ गपशप एंड मस्ती ऑन दिस बोल बच्चन सेगमेंट। वैसे आपको एक राज की बात बताओ जो मुझे आज ही पता चला। मरीजों को क्यों बेहोश किया जाता है ऑपरेशन से पहले? सोचिए सोचिए, क्योंकि अगर उन्हें बेहोश नहीं किया जाता तो उन्हें ऑपरेशन का राज पता चलता और फिर डॉक्टर्स का काम तो तमाम हो जाता। कुल्लम कुल्ला आज हम हंसेंगे और मस्ती करेंगे because we are going to be talking about the best comedians of the last 100 years in Indian cinema. I'm here at York Cinemas for the screening of Gunchakkar, a fun-filled laughter riot. And I'm going to find out from the audience who their best comedian or comedy movies are from Bollywood. So देर किस बात की? Let's get it started. कुछ कुल्लम कुल्लम मस्ती करेंगे और हंसेंगे बिंदास।
Johnny Walker is amazing. I mean, whenever we see him on the screen, the moment people see him, they start laughing. He's just amazing.
लाइन क्लियर, आगे बढ़ो आगे चलो, छोटी सी ये अल्टन पल्टन फौज है मेरे घर की, साथ हमारे तोप का गोला, बात नहीं है डर की। लाइन क्लियर।
I like Salman Khan, I like Amir Khan, and I really like the movie Andaz Apna Apna. It was a lot of fun, and I remember the scene where there are there Luna.
अरे पीछे बैठिए ना। बैठा क्या? अच्छा अंकल आगे डंडी पे डंडी। अच्छा हाँ डंडी पे ट्राई करिए अंकल, डंडी पे ट्राई करिए। लेकिन फिर मैं चलाऊंगा कैसे? हाँ ये भी पीछे बैठिए ना अंकल, उसकी गोद में बैठिए। हाँ अंकल गोदी वाली गोदी। चल चल नीचे उतर, गोदी में बैठ, नीचे उतर, गोदी वाले। आप एक इडियट है, पता भी नहीं चले हम लोग पीछे बैठे।
Tuntun is a good pick.
Yeah, the moment you see her and you know you get that thing now that you have to laugh. And I really like her and the way she speaks and the way she dolls around. That's really nice.
That's cute. I like Govind. I like his stupid comedy that he does. I remember watching those movies from a long time back. I love his comedy.
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो बेलपुरी का रहा था।
I really liked Three Idiots, probably one of my favorite movies. Yeah.
So that's why you like Amir Khan.
I liked how he takes the industry and like he doesn't just do the regular boring stuff. He goes out and tries to do new things.
I like such movies, Golmaal, then so many movies. एक चतुर नार उतर के संगार, मेरे मन के द्वार वो घुसक जाता।
Johnny Lever, Govinda. And I also sometimes consider Shah Rukh Khan as a comedian for me because
कोई बात नहीं।
Hooray Bollywood! I'm sure you had fun watching the show, क्योंकि मैं तो हंस के पागल हो गई। It's time for me to say goodbye, but I'll be back again next week with another bang of Bollywood news with Hooray Bollywood. In the meantime, follow us on our Facebook page or on Twitter, or come visit us on our website. And now, I want you to write to me with your dedications at amit@hooraybollywood.com. Until then, enjoy life, be happy, and have loads and loads of laughter and masti.